2025 Ferrari SF90 is a revolutionary supercar that's perfect for anyone looking for a thrilling and exclusive driving experience. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and incredible performance, the SF90 is sure to turn heads on the road. The 2025 Ferrari SF90 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 769 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. That's more power than the Lamborghini Sian, but less than the Bugatti Chiron. The engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which provides lightning-fast shifting and incredible acceleration. Inside, the SF90 features a luxurious and futuristic cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. The 16-inch infotainment display is intuitive and responsive, and the available JBL premium audio system is incredible. The cabin is also equipped with a range of convenience features, including heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a power-accessible steering. On the road, the SF90 is a thrill ride. The handling is precise and responsive, and the acceleration is incredible. It's a great car for track days or spirited driving, and it's also perfect for cruising around town. The SF90 also features a range of advanced safety features, including forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-path detection. The 2025 Ferrari SF90 compares favorably to its competitors. The Lamborghini Chiron is a bit more exclusive and limited production, but it's not as powerful or technologically advanced as the SF90. The Bugatti Chiron is a bit more luxurious and opulent, but it's also more expensive and less agile than the SF90. The Porsche 911 GT2 RS is another competitor, but it's not as exclusive or technologically advanced as the SF90. In terms of design, the 2025 Ferrari SF90 is a real head-turner. The sleek and aerodynamic body style is both stylish and functional, with a range of features designed to improve airflow and reduce drag. The SF90 also features a range of unique design elements, including a distinctive front grille, swept-back headlights, and a dramatic rear diffuser. Overall, the 2025 Ferrari SF90 is an incredible car that's perfect for anyone looking for a thrilling and exclusive driving experience. With its powerful engine, advanced technology, and sleek design, the SF90 is sure to turn heads on the road.